على بقى أخيرا هكتب ملك الجنادل أسيب اسم أخويا.
Esther,
Yes.
the last question.
They make oil.
We need question.
No, they.
Question mark is here.
Okay.
كنت فاكر
Hmm. Have.
Thank you.
Have they made
Mister,
Mister, we
never
did
try
this.
is right.
What?
Never try is right.
Never try is right.
Yes, and the scene. And the scene we have seen.
Do we have seen? Excuse me, what is your question?
You are right. We have. Sorry.
Okay.
Very sorry.
Okay.
Sir, don't try it, please. Who's writing? Malik.
Now,
مش انت يا مالك سعد. مالك. بطل يعني باور مالك انت. عمل هواوي ايباد ده بتاعي. انت اسر؟
The answer?
واي بقى انت ليه بقى بتكتبه؟ علشان بحب الايباد، انا عندي واحد.
no,
عندي هواوي
I am right.
Now, look carefully. You can watch the video and write what you want. Now look carefully to this lesson because this lesson is important and it relates to science. This is the water cycle. What is this, students? Water cycle. What is this again?
Water cycle.
Everyone repeat. Water cycle.
Water cycle.
This is the first step. The first step is here. Repeat after me. Precipitation.
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 Precipitation means raining. Precipitation means raining. The first step in water cycling is precipitation. Look at the arrow. The water of the rain or precipitation goes down from high mountains.
Teacher,
Yes.
this word he is rain all the year.
Raise your voice, please.
This word meaning of rain all the year.
Rainforest rain all the year. That's right. But this is not
Okay.
rainforest.
Okay.
This how is water goes on our planet Earth. The first thing which happens is precipitation.
This is rain.
What?
This is rain.
This is rain?
This is my question. This is rain.
Maz, I don't understand what you want to say. Okay. So precipitation means raining. After raining happens, the water goes down. The water goes up or down, students?
Goes up. Down.
Down. The water goes down.
Mm-hmm.
When the water goes down, some Some water go to the river. Some water go to the river.
Assalamu alaikum.
Runoff means the water which runs on the streets after raining when it rains heavy in Jeddah. Do you see water running on the street?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, if you don't see it, it's okay. Runoff means the water runs on the streets, runs on the ground. They are not in the river, they are on the ground. Some of them goes to the river, but other water goes underground. It is called the groundwater. What happens to the water when the river is finished? When the river is finished, the water goes to the sea. And because the sun is hot, it heats the sea and evaporation happens. What is the meaning of evaporation? Hot water come from the sea up to the sky. Evaporation means the hot water comes from the sea up to the sky. Why? Because of the sun. After this, what happens? The wind does two things. The first thing, it cools the water. Cooling the water, it's called condensation. Cooling the water is called condensation.
Condensation.
After condensation, what happens?
Wind.
Clouds. Clouds. The condensed water makes clouds. After clouds, what happens? The wind, after the wind cools the water in condensation, it pushes the clouds. It pushes the clouds. When the wind pushes the clouds, it rains again, and this is called the precipitation. And the cycle happens all over again. Wind pushes the cloud, it rains, which is precipitation. Water run off, goes some of them to the river, some go to underground, groundwater. The sun heats the sea, evaporation happens. The wind.
Sir, I want story.
You want what?
I love story.
You love a story? Thank you very much. After the wind cools the water, condensation happens. After the condensation happens, the wind pushes the clouds and the rain happens again. This is called the water cycle. If you can tell me what is the water cycle, raise your hand. If you want to say how the water happen, what is the meaning of water cycle and how does it happen on Earth, raise your hand. Okay, as start. The first thing is what? You raised your hand, but you don't speak. That's excellent. I will say it again.
I'll say.
You are saying without voice. That's excellent also. I will say again. Precipitation is the first thing.
Precipitation.
Precipitation means raining. Then runoff. Runoff means the water run on the ground. After this, river. River goes to the sea. Some water goes underground. The water in the sea is heated by the sun. Evaporation happens. After evaporation, condensation. After condensation, water pushes the cloud and the rain happens again. Precipitation, runoff, river, sea, evaporation, condensation, wind. This is the cycle.
And sun.
This is the cycle. If you can say it, raise your hand.
Okay. Teacher, I can say it.
How can I know if you don't raise your hand? Okay, Omar, start.
Precipitation. Precipitation.
Yes.
Runoff. River goes to the sea.
Yes.
And evaporation.
Excellent.
And condensation.
Excellent.
And goes to the cloudy.
Yes.
Wind.
Yes. And
precipitation.
excellent. That's right. Let's move to the questions. These are the words that you choose from: condensation, water cycle, evaporation, groundwater, precipitation, and runoff.
Teacher, cycle, not water cycle.
Cycle, not water cycle. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Okay, if you don't raise your hand, I will ask you without raising your hand. Tayyib?
Yeah, teacher.
Number 2, water that land. What?
Water that lands on the ground and
Travels.
drives in river is called
It's called.
cold. Sea, call it sea.
What?
Call it sea.
I can't hear you. I am very sorry. Ahmed Atiyah, number 2.
Teacher, I want to go to the bathroom.
Go.
Number 2, water that lands on the ground and travels in rivers is called runoff.
Excellent.
Called runoff.
Excellent. Ziad? Ziad?
Yes, teacher.
3.
3.
Yes.
Okay. Some water sucks into the ground as rain. Teacher,
We are done with the runoff. Runoff is done. We still have condensation, cycle, evaporation, groundwater, precipitation.
what's the meaning of ground water?
What's the meaning of what?
Ground water or
We said groundwater.
Look. This is the meaning of groundwater, and this is the meaning of precipitation. Groundwater means the water under the ground. Precipitation means the raining. Okay?
okay. Precipitation.
Precipitation doesn't mean water into the ground. This is water into the ground. This is precipitation.
Ground water.
Yes,
Teacher, ground water.
yes. Groundwater is the correct answer.
Teacher, can I answer? Yes.
Number 4.
The sun clouds
What?
pollution.
Again,
Pollution.
I can't hear you. Speak, raise your voice.
Circally.
You can't say the word?
He said
You said what?
cycle.
Cycle?
Yes.
Look here, Tayyib. Look here, Malik. In number 3, he says the sun causes, or the sun makes. The sun makes what of water from the surface of rivers and the sea. Look here. This is a sea, and this is the river. What does the sun do for them? What is the name? What water goes to the sky because of the sun?
Is the word next to run off?
The word next to run off.
Sure, no.
What is this? The words are condensation, precipitation, evaporation,
Condensation.
runoff, ground.
Population.
Again, please.
Population.
Raise your voice.
Population.
Repeat after me, students. Evaporation.
Evaporation.
Everyone repeat. Evaporation.
Evaporation. Evaporation.
Evaporation.
Evaluation. Last 10 minutes and the class is done.
Esther,
Yes.
next.
Happens as water vapor as
This
rises
and get
and get color.
cooler. Look here at the
Cooler.
picture again. After evaporation, the hot water, we call it vapor. The hot water is called the vapor. It comes to the sky, the wind makes it cold. What is the meaning of, what is the word for this process? When the vapor becomes cold.
Wind.
Yes, the wind do it, but this is not the name. The wind do that. But what does the wind do? What is the meaning of changing hot water into cold water again?
Condensation.
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 Everyone repeat, please. Condensation.
Condensation.
Yes.
The last 9 minutes and the class is done.
I have a watch in my hand. I don't need your help.
Okay.
Okay. Tayyib,
Yes, teacher.
number 6, please.
Okay, the process is cold.
It's cold. This is not cold. This is cold. Repeat, cold.
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 What is it called?
We name it. We give it a name. I call you Muaz means I give you the name of Muaz. So cold gives it a name. We call this process of evaporation, precipitation, groundwater, runoff. What is the name of all of these things?
Cold.
It is wind.
Cold. Cold معناها يسمى.
Tayyib,
Yes, teacher.
can you answer the question?
Yes, wind.
We don't have wind here. Condensation and it is done. Groundwater, precipitation, runoff, evaporation, and cycle.
It is cycle.
Yes. I will call it water.
I will call it cycle.
Water cycle.
Water cycle.
Yes, I will call it water cycle.
Teacher, write it water cycle.
Let's write it water cycle. Don't write cycle only. Water cycle. Now we go to the story.
Teacher, we take it today a story?
Yes.
Oh, page what?
93.
I like the story, this.
The story is called The Ferris and the Fish. What is the name of the story?
I am read the mister.
You
Page what, teacher? Page what?
Page 94.
93.
Yes, 94 is a
get it.
First page in the story.
Okay, the name of the story is Faris and the Fish. This is Faris. What is the name of the story?
Faris and the fish.
Okay.
Faris and the fish.
Now we are going to read some words that we will meet in the story. Number 1, repeat after me. Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Ambulance is a car. Who gets in this car? Good.
It's a
healthy
car.
people or sick?
The sick doctor. The sick man.
Yes, sick people. That's right.
It's a car in hospital.
Yes. Do this car take people to fun fair or to hospital?
Hospital.
Now look at picture number 2. Does the boy has healthy leg or
ملك
broken
ساعته
leg?
الملك الجناتي.
What's the term?
Does the boy has broken leg or healthy leg? What is the name of this white thing on his leg?
Yes.
Yes.
Now look at picture number 3. What is the name of this place?
Fish tank.
Who live in fish tank? And look at number 4. What can you see?
Mask.
Why do we need
Not for
mask?
swim.
Because
To swim underwater, under sea.
Yes, when you swim under the water, you need
the mask helps you see when you are swimming underwater.
yes. And what is this?
Give you
Stop. Yes, Maaz.
the mask give you oxygen if you under the sea.
Thank you. What is RAM, students? What is it used for?
Skateboard. Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard. Skateboard. Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Look at this picture. Look at this man. What is he doing? Malik, turn off your microphone, please.
Skateboard. Ram image.
Look, students.
Photo.
Look here. This is a ram. Ram is used for skating. We don't walk in a ram. We skate on a ram. We don't have this in Egypt. We didn't see this in Egypt in the street. But some people have it. They use it to play. They use it to skate. It is called the ram.
I see it in Egypt.
Okay, you see it? Okay. Okay, you see it. It's very good. This is very good. Now this is a ram. Done? Okay?
Yes.
This is a skateboard. All right.
Skateboard.
This is snorkel. You can
Is he
breathe
swimming?
underwater with a snorkel.
Thank you very much. Is he swimming?
Yes.
Is he swimming underwater?
Yes.
No.
Yes, he is swimming underwater because fish is around him. This is called the snorkel. Now,
Teacher, with the mask. Where is the... Teacher, I won't read it.
read Malik. Start reading.
Amar. Malik Saad or
After 1 minute, we will finish. I will read. Faris lived in Hurghada. Hurghada is a city in Egypt with his family. He loved swimming. He went swimming every day and trained in the pool for an hour. He wanted to be an athlete and to win lots of competitions. Who can read?
Me.
Ahmed Ahmad Atiyah raising his hand first. Read Ahmad Atiyah, but sorry, time is up. We have to finish now. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.